Hello everyone. I'm Akshat Mishra, and since today's morning, I was trying to customize my VS Code to my heart's content, and it looks kind of good. So, if you want, I can show you. Let me show you the actual build, and if you want, just comment it, and I can make a video of how I did it. Right. So, this is my VS Code. It might not look very good because it is white, right? I most of you do not use a white theme. I didn't use it, but it looks good, so I used the white theme. And some things as you can see, I have just created some of not created, but used some of the fonts and customized the fonts themselves. If you can see, the font itself is not that much of a thing. The things I've actually customized is first of all the animations. So now my VS Code has animations for everything. Everything I do, it just does it smoothly. So yeah, opening anything, closing anything, just is there is that smoothness in it. And moreover, if you can see, there are some icons you might think that are actually kind of not there. As you can see, there should be some icons here. So if I hover it over it, and these icons appear. So these are the things I've made in custom using the CSS only. And since I didn't know, but VS Code is a web app, so we can just use or customly write our own CSS and just customize it the way we want. So yeah, the JS about the animations, I didn't try that. It was an extension, but these kind of icons and glowing things, I've written them myself using just a few lines of code. So this is the code if you want to see and pause. Right. So yeah, I most likely like these things, these glowing features. Since I've made them, so that thing and something like that. So I can also use it in very small view because I can just zoom in and remove all the bars. So yeah, this is my build of VS Code. If you want to show your build, comment down. And if you want a video about how I build it, do like this video. Uh, some of you want it, I can just show you. I can just make a video about how I created the whole, not created, but rather how I customized my things. So, and plus the closing icon actually rotates. So, goodbye.